The following portion of Daytime is sponsored by YesWelder.
Whether you're just starting out or advancing your skills, welding can be a trade for everyone, thanks to an innovative machine by YesWelder. And we're joined now by Dave, who's a spokesperson for the brand. Dave, thank you for taking the time to tell us about YesWelder. This is a brand new brand. How did it quickly emerge in a mature industry like welding?
So our expectations for the YesWelder brand has gone beyond our wildest expectations. Our first mission was to build a high quality product at an affordable price, to bring it right to the consumer, right into their homes. Not only just us as me as like a professional, but just the everyday hobbyist, car enthusiast, people along those lines, just your everyday people. The fact that YesWelder has over a million viewers and followers on social media has been fantastic, and it's happened in such a short time. We've had our ups and downs, but listening to the users has been paramount in getting us to where we are today.
You've created the machine that we're looking at, the DP200. What makes it special, would you say, and innovative?
So the first just DP200 from YesWelder is truly a game changer. So this one, it's a multi-process machine, meaning that it can do different forms of welding. So like it has your MIG, your TIG, flux core welding, as well as stick welding. Stick welding is the one that is more my specialty. They've also developed some innovative technologies. So it has a UI interactive interface, as well as our 7-inch LCD screen to make the whole experience a little bit more precise. It sets it apart from the previous models because it offers well past the value. So it's really making it a new era for us at YesWelder.
And how does YesWelder listen to and fulfill user needs with this machine?
So as I mentioned earlier, some of the different innovations that we've come up with, it makes our process simple. So day in and day out, we collect feedback from our users, and as a joint effort, we put those into reality. We make sure that we are giving the users exactly what they're looking for. The DP200 does just that with, like I said, the LCD screen, as well as that UI interface.
And the background development, I assume that a lot of research went into it.
Oh, absolutely. Making the multi-process, so our DP200, it actually has 50 memory channels. So for like your MIG and your TIG and your mag welding, in our conversations with the users, we found that being able to recall these memories, basically your settings, things like that. So all you have to do is hit a button and you're good to go. You're off and running. So it makes a huge difference. Instead of having to constantly mess with the dials and play with it, it's ready to go. And so our user feedback has been, like I said, absolutely crucial to that. Because like I said, we want to make it as easy to use and affordable for the everyday person that might not necessarily know how to weld or what welding is, but it gives them that opportunity to learn very quickly.
Thank you, Dave. Appreciate the time. YesWelder.com is the place to go for more information on this machine. Daytime, we'll be right back.
The preceding portion of Daytime was sponsored by YesWelder.